Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I hope that you subscribe down below and hit the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'm bringing you a how I style my hair after wash day video. If you haven't seen my wash day routine, I'll link it up here in the cards as well as in the description box down below. I asked you guys on that video as well as on Instagram if you want to see how I style my hair after wash day, and I got a couple of yeses, so here we are. In today's video, I'll be trying out some new products to show you guys. I did stick with the usual routine of how I style my hair. I just changed up the products. I spoke about this on my Instagram, so I won't be getting in too much detail, but I'll be trying out the new Creme of Nature coconut milk, a couple of the products from that line. This is their leave-in, their hair milk, as well as their edge tamer. And yeah, so some things about the products that I didn't mention in the video. The smell is really nice, but that's if you like strong fragrances, because I feel like the scent is really strong. Yeah, it's really strong, but not when you, after you put it in your hair, you don't smell it, so it's fine. Like, it's not as strong after you use it in your hair, but if you were to open up the products and smell it, it's like a really strong fragrance, but it goes away after a while, so I don't mind that. And I don't mind strong fragrances in general. Also, the price, I think all the styles from this line, you know, are very affordable. I'll put the price on the screen. I'll have to, you know, look that up for you guys. I didn't purchase these products, I got them in a giveaway. I mentioned it on my IG stories. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you're missing out, because that's where it goes down. So, you know what I'm saying? This video isn't like sponsored. They didn't ask me to make this video, but I received the products and I wanted to try them out, and I was gonna film how I style my hair anyways, so I decided to, you know, just do both of them in one video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you guys want to, you know, see me use these products and talk about them a little and everything, then just keep on watching this video. I showed you guys how I style my hair, like what I did before I got to look like this, so you know, you see the transformation and everything. So yeah, just keep on watching. I don't want to make this intro any longer than it already is. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair. A twist out is my go-to style, and I usually have my hair in 4 sections like I do now, but they're not usually like this. That's because I'm going to be like fancying it up a little bit. So I'm going to do flat twist on this side coming towards the front, so that way I can get height on this side of my hair. And then these are going to be, are these like, I don't even know what to call them. I think they're flat twists as well, but it's like, instead of you wrapping the twist, like, you know what I mean, it's just like you roll the twist. I don't know. I'll put a picture right here of the style that I'm going to do. I saw it on Instagram and I decided that I wanted to recreate it, so that's what we're going to do today. I haven't used these as yet, so this is our first impressions on these products. And this look at it, like, I've used it so much since I got it. Between me and my sister, like, we almost finished it. There's hair in there. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, like, between me and my sister, this is our go-to product for our edges. Like, we just love it. So anyways, without me rambling on, let's just get into the video. So I'm going to take down this section. This is usually the section I start on. Is it? I don't even know. What I'm gonna do is split the section into 2 first, because I'm gonna split it again. So I'm gonna split it in 2 first and split up back that part. So this is what I have right here, and my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioner and all of that. So I'm gonna take some water. This is warm water, and just spray it on my hair, you know, just to get it damp a little bit, because it's kind of dry. Not completely, but it's just to dry. You could do a dry twist out too, but like, I like when my products are, like, I like applying my products when my hair is damp and after I've just washed my hair. Also, if you guys are worrying about the water, because I'm sitting on my bed, Don't worry, I've made preparations. So I'm going to be taking some of the leave-in, and this leave-in, she's thick, okay? But it's not like too thick. It's just like really creamy. And I'm just going to, okay, I need more. I'm just going to take it and apply it to my hair. And yeah, look, I have product on my ears. Okay, so I'm just going to take some and apply it to my hair. It's like creamy, but it kind of melts in your hand. You guys will see in the clip, when you rub it in your hand, it just kind of melts in your hand. And okay, I like the way it feels. I like using a good amount of product, but not too much at the same time. So I think that's enough for that section. Okay, you see my curls are popping. My curls are popping. It's good for detangling as well. It has good slip. It has decent slip. I'm going to read the claims on it for you because I didn't do that. It says, restore body and shine with this curl repair leave-in conditioning cream infused with natural coconut oil. This rich cream instantly detangles dry, lifeless curls and moisturize for manageable hair with less frizz. Use daily to hydrate, prevent breakage, and promote stronger, healthier hair. On this thing, coconut oil is so far down the list, which is crazy to me because the product, even though it's coconut milk, I still expected coconut oil to be higher up on the ingredients. But like, it's water, glycerin, shea butter, cetearyl alcohol, whatever, fragrance, all of that, and then like way in the middle there's coconut oil. So yeah, you can see, definitely hydrates my hair. My hair definitely feels moisturized. And I'm going to go in with the Moisture Curl Hair Milk. This is the product that I was most excited for. It's a cream based product as well, but it's lightweight, and it says that lightweight cream for defined elongated curls. So we gonna see. Kiss lifeless frizzy tresses goodbye with this Moisture Curl Hair Milk infused with certified natural coconut oil. Hydrate with this lightweight hair milk to deeply moisturize, elongate curls, prevent breakage, and leave hair soft. This milk will improve the manageability of your strands by taming frizz and adding shine. It's a lot of claims. It's a lot of claims. So it definitely is lightweight, at least compared to the leave-in. It's lightweight. Ooh, come on, moisture. Okay, I feel like it's elongating my hair for real, but I don't know. You guys will have to tell me. But you know, yeah, I'm just going to take my brush and just, you know, make sure I don't have any tangles, make sure the product is distributed throughout my hair and everything. And that's just a regular styling brush. So now I'm just going to section again so I can begin twisting. And I don't want my twists to be too big, but I'm not really trying to make them extra small. I should have used a smaller scrunchie right here, but that's fine. Just twist this curl. I'm just going to take my hair and just do a regular 2-strand twist. So, you know, I feel like I could have applied more product at my roots, so that way my hair won't shrink up as much, but it's fine. So there it is. So I'm just going to speed it up now. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finished styling my hair and I know I look crazy, okay? But we're not gonna talk about it, okay? So anyways, this is the style that I saw on the photo on Instagram, and I said that I wanted to recreate it. So basically only these two twists, although this one is like, I should redo it, but I'm probably not gonna redo it. But yeah, these two are the only ones that are gonna stay in. Everything else will be taken out, and I'll just have twist out with these two at the side. I will come back on camera and show you guys the takedown process and the finished results and all of that, probably tomorrow or the day after. Usually when I do my hair, I keep it in for about 4 days, 3 to 4 days, and then I'll rock the twist out for another 3 to 4 days. You get me? So yeah. But because I'm filming, I'm gonna have to take these out sooner rather than later. So yeah, the products that I use, I definitely like the hair milk more than the leave-in. I really like the hair milk. I can't tell you how I fully feel about the products until I take down my hair and I see what I'm working with. But I know that twist outs can't really fail, at least not for me. I'll see you guys when I see you. Okay. Also, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the twists, the flat twist on camera. I was trying, and my hair was either trying to embarrass me or humble me or both, but it just didn't work out. So okay guys, so as you can see, I finished styling my hair, took out my twists, everything, and these are my results. And man, this came out so good. Like, I mean, I know twist outs can't fail, but the whole style that I decided to recreate, it came out so good. The only thing is that I wanted this on this style because this is the side that I take most of my pictures on. I don't know how I didn't realize what was going on yesterday when I was doing this, but It's okay, it's okay. You know, we gotta switch it up sometimes. So I guess I'll be taking my pictures on this side today. But overall, guys, I really like these products. I saw in the video that initially I was like, with the leave-in conditioner. So I don't really know. I still don't know. Maybe I'd have to use it on its own to tell you how I truly feel about it. Because my hair, it feels soft, it's moisturized and hydrated and everything. So I don't know if it was the milk that came through or both of them together, or it was the leave-in on its own. But I just know that, you know, in combination, I really like all the products. You guys can see my edges are light. Okay, listen, I need like 50 of these. I know that I'm going to finish this so fast because, like I said, you know, between me and my sister, we use this up like crazy. But I like the products. I really like the products. I know I'm going to be using this all the time. You guys could use gel if you like to use gel on your twist outs. Personally, I don't really use gel. I use gel to slick up my hair. That's pretty much it. Or if I need to lay my edges sometimes or whatever. But I don't do wash and goes. And even if I decide to, I don't use a gel. So... but it's funny because I have so much gel. But anyways, yeah, I really like these products. I highly recommend them. In order of favorites, you guys know this edge control, then the hair milk, and then the leave-in conditioner, because I feel like this could double as your leave-in and your styler. So yeah, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend you trying the line. They have, like I said, I think they have 7 stylers in the entire line. So you can pick, choose, and refuse. They have a curling cream, they have a foaming mousse, control glue. They even come with an oil, so you know that would be good if you want to use it in l.c.o or l.o.c method, or if you just want to use it to take down your styles or whatever. But yeah, also I separate my hair. It depends really on the style that I'm going for. I did separate a lot today, so yeah, but it still could be separated some more, but I won't do that because I'm going to keep rocking the style for a couple of days, so it will get bigger on its own eventually. But yeah, that's my how I style my hair after wash day, but also my review on this new Cream of Nature coconut milk styling line, because they have the cleansing parts of it. They had cleansing products in the line already, and they just came out with like 7 new stylers, you know. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more hair videos from me, you know, or whatever. I'm feeling this look. But yeah, I feel like this style is so cute and I really like it. So I hope that you guys like it too. I hope that you like the video overall. If you're new to my channel and you made it to the end of this video, just subscribe, because why not? You know what I mean? Give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on the style, your thoughts on the products, or which product you would want to try the most. Or just let me know if you want to see more videos, hair videos, or hair styling videos or something. You know what I'm saying? Okay, bye guys.